Today, we're just going to go on a crazy tour of the future of design in spatial computing, especially for Apple Vision Pro, how Apple's changed the game, where they've fallen short.
So these updates that just came out are very important and are very exciting.
We've been building since 2013, back in the days of Google Cardboard. We were one of the 600 apps.
So we're going to talk about porting existing content.
Apple started asking us for artwork, promo materials, and they started to promote us on the App Store.
On day one, 8,000 hours spent viewing jigs.
So this is Campfire and Vision Pro. This is in preview right now. So you see we're launching. You're going to see a user in there and a Quest controller. That's because that user is on a Quest. You'll see a user next to them with their hands.
I am going to be talking about all the new stuff in VisionOS. And I think that I watched every VisionOS video, so I'm going to capture everything.
Now, what did we learn?